Meaning of government.
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 Government. The term government is an abbreviation for government. It refers to the governing authority of a nation or state that is responsible for making and enforcing laws, ensuring the welfare of its citizens, and providing essential services. The government can consist of many branches or departments, each with a specific function and responsibility. The functioning of a government is crucial for maintaining peace, stability, and progress in a society. Governments around the world differ in their structures, policies, and ideologies. Some governments are democratic, while others may be authoritarian or totalitarian. Overall, the importance of a government cannot be overstated for the well-being of a society.